here we go, our crew's making their final approach on the dock. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. And if you can't tell, today we are visiting 79th Street. And we're definitely taking a slow, calculated approach toward the dock. What in the world is going on with this trim? Bro, what are you doing? He's trimming this up way early for some reason. I have no clue why. We've got a hand on the pole. Wait a minute. Hang on. Hold up. Bro, you're leaving him. What's going on here? He's like, bro, come back and get me. Or toss me the line. Tosses the line. We've got the miss. But Cap's just leaving him, bro. He's like, yeah, you're on your own, dude. Here we go. We're going to just switch up and go to 4. I don't understand what's going on with this trim either. My man, like, thinks we're in 6 inches of water and trimmed this thing basically completely up. And the crew's going to get it on 4. Here goes our guy in the background doing the walk of shame from 3 over to 4 to assist. But that was funny. Cap just left him. He's like, yeah, bro, you're on your own. You could find your own way over here. And he is. He's making his way over. I'm sure he'll have a few choice words for Captain when he does arrive over here as well, probably. And we're still struggling to get this one on. And here he is looking at Captain. Bro, why'd you leave me? Cap's looking back like, remember a few weeks ago when you hit on my sister? Well, this is the payback. But they're going to get this one tied up, and they should hopefully be able to get out of here from that one. But our guy didn't take a swim either. That was pretty solid. I thought for sure when we saw him coming off, he was going to wind up in the water, but he quickly stepped onto that lower ledge on the dock and was able to keep himself dry. And somebody missed the line, and we're drifting off now. Our guy's got a line, but he can't seem to get it back to the dock. And confusion appears to have set in by the person on the boat and our girl at the stern with the stern line as well. They both just seem confused on what to do. Oh, but Cap to the rescue. So Cap launched this boat, parked the truck, walks gingerly down the dock, hops directly onto the boat, and takes charge. That's what Cap does, though. So our girl lets go of the line. And he's gotten himself into a funky spot, though. And our guy's prepping just in case he's got to push up from the bow. I don't even think Cap started all 3 motors. I think only one of them's going. No, he might have a few of them going. It's tough to tell. So wifey's trying to give directions. Our guy's got the line there. Just give her the toss, bro. There we go. And disasters being averted. Thank God Captain was walking down that dock. I don't know how that one would have ended if Cap wouldn't have jumped in and took charge. But right move. He saw things going wrong. Walked straight down the dock. Didn't question it. Hopped on the boat. Took control. And put things back where they're supposed to be. And our crew is waiting to determine which dock they're going to try and make their approach on. Oh, I think the camera's been spotted. And here we go. Oh, Girlie's going to show off for us now. Here you go, guys. That always happens. As soon as the camera gets spotted, everybody loves the attention and wants to show it off for a few moments. When they're coming in, you can almost always tell those crews that have been having a pretty solid time out on the water today. And this definitely appears to be one of those crews. Now, when I say that, I'm not saying Captain partook before the comments get lit up like, oh, why aren't you guys calling the police on these people or anything crazy like that. It's because I don't know that Captain's doing anything wrong, but The rest of his crew out here, they're enjoying themselves, and there's nothing wrong with that. And here we go, just a quick pick and go. And we're going to pull back out. Captain kills it. And this crew will be well on its way back out into Biscayne Bay, having a good time. Up, camera spotted. Another crew going to show a little love. Up, don't fall in, bro. And here we go. And yeah, they've had a little fun. And the fun will continue as their day goes on. Crew in on final approach. And it looks like they've selected their dock of choice. Let's see how Captain does on his approach. Quick brake check, but that's going to send him a little sideways. And he's going to have to back out on that one. Kind of came in at the wrong angle. Just a little outside. And now we're going to have to reset it again. So we're moving somebody into the bow. That always adds an interesting complication to this. Shouldn't say complication, but just another person who can get tossed off. But he's taking a nice slow roll approach. I don't think he's going to have any issues here. The angle's not terrible. The stern's kicking out on him again. He's turned the wheel the wrong way. He's probably trying to get that bow in so we can at least get one line. Up, up, up. What do we got? Something in the water. Here we go. Not our typical wildlife we see at our boat ramps, especially when we're visiting Black Point. But here at 79th, this is our aquatic adventure. You got the iguanas. If you've ever been down here at 79th, it's a little crazy actually. You walk past these trees and the iguanas scatter. They're just everywhere. We'll see 40 of them as we're walking over here to set up. And they just kind of run all over the place. But our guy here's got it in, and they're going to get out of here. And speaking of getting out of here, we're going to get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of fantastic things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos over there as well. And of course, we've got Boats versus Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here. If not, we're coming to steal your drain plug.